Question number 2 wants us to make a logarithmic regression. So the only difference is going to be when we want to do ln reg. So if you type in the data, then you should get y is equal to 4.972 plus 3.153 times ln of x. So a logarithmic regression models this with the natural log function. And your graph will look something like this. And part C says use the model to find what y will be when x is equal to 35. So if we just do a calc value x is equal to 35, then you should get 16.2 million cell phone subscribers. And that'll be our answer.